Okay, so for one, my shot came off. Bam, good to go, back in progress. And that's a problem. Why do we not have... Oh, there's a rock. Ha! That'd be the problem. Good to go.
Oh, that is the worst timing for LiPo.
I swear I made it like 3 times.
I'm witness to it.
This thing is so trashed. I mean, like, I've been driving for at least 20 laps like this. Like, full on camber adjustment every time I fucking steered.
Oh, jeez.
My rear shock is on.
Oh yeah, yeah, but you don't need a spring.
You don't need springs. This thing needs to have some love.
But it is pretty crazy.
I mean, this is a huge jump.
Yeah, edge of the carpet.
I mean, it's a solid, like, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like, probably good 8 paces, edge to edge.
That's probably fair.
For like 30-ish feet?
Yeah. It's 8th scale territory.
Very much 8th scale.
AKA parachute Traxxas slash.
Yes. Anyways, that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll probably be repairing this guy on stream one of these days. I want to turn it into more of a race vehicle. Put some more aluminum upgrades on it, get this thing actually like happy to the point where I care about it and I'm not just completely destroying it. So tune in on stream for that. That's it for me, guys. Thank you again so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one.